Hello, my dear children. How are you all today? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, today your Afshad ma'am will tell you all a story. But before that, let me put on my glasses. Children, these are my glasses. And now I am putting this on. And I am going to tell you all a story of a little girl, Gauri, who also wears glasses. Can you see, children? Gauri is wearing glasses like me. And children, glasses help many of us see better. So, this is a story of a little girl, Gauri, who loves to eat juicy green grapes. Grapes are Gauri's favorite fruit. Gauri also has some pets in her house. Do you want to meet her pets? Yes, look, here they are. She has two goldfish. She takes care of them and gives them food. One morning, Gauri's grandmother came to meet her. Gauri was very happy to see her grandmother. She greets her. Good morning, Grandma. I was waiting for you. Grandma said, Good morning, my dear child. Yes, let's go in the garden. Gauri has a small garden in her house which has a big gate. And in the garden lives meh, meh, Gogo the goat. Gogo the goat is a good friend of Gauri. Every day, Gauri gives Gogo the goat some grass to eat. She loves Gogo the goat a lot. Then Gauri and Grandma plays many games with a favorite toy, Gorilla. Suddenly, Grandma started coughing and it was not stopping. So, Gauri quickly went to the kitchen and got a glass of water for Grandma. Grandma was feeling better after that. God bless you, my dear child. I have got a gift for you. Gauri was very happy seeing the gift. She jumped with joy. Gauri had a very good day. So, children, you have learned so many new words in the story that begins with the sound G. So, repeat with me. G, grapes. G, girl. G, grandma. G, goat. And what do goats eat, children? Grass. G, goldfish. G, gift. G, glass. G, garden with a big gate. G, gorilla. And G, glasses. Very good, children. Now you know so many words that begins with the sound G. Come, I will show you how to write G. G. Make a curve, then make a standing line and a small turn. G. Good. Let's do once again. Make a curve, then make a standing line and a small turn. G. Very good. Let's do one more time. Make a curve, then make a standing line and a turn. Very good. Now go and practice. Thank you, children.